The next geometry theorem we're going to look at is vertically opposite angles. Again, we do the ruler test. So if you take your ruler, you make sure that these are straight lines, they intersect each other, and when these lines intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle A will equal angle C, and that's how we write it. A equals C, vert op angles is the abbreviation, and angle D would equal angle B. Same reason, vert op angles. This always reminds me of a pair of scissors. So no matter how wide or how narrow they are, this angle will always equal that angle, and this angle will always equal that angle. But they have to be two straight lines. Let's look at our first worked example. Again, ruler test. Make sure that these are straight lines intersecting each other. Describe your diagram. That's what we do in the statement. So I can see B here is equal to 58. Vertically opposite. You see this forms a V. So they are vertically opposite. So B equals 58 degrees. Vert op angles. That is the official abbreviation. I suggest that you do cursive B because sometimes B's can look like sixes if you're in a hurry and you don't write it properly. The next theorem we're going to look at are angles round a point. What you have to first test for is to see that all these angles share a common vertex. And they do, so I can say angle A plus B plus C plus D equals 360 degrees, angles round a point. Let's have a look at the example. So this is number 2. Again, we have to describe our diagram, and remember the statement is always a plus statement. And you write it down exactly as it's seen on the diagram. So I'm going to start 3C plus 36 degrees plus 2C plus 4C equals 360 degrees. Reason, angles round a point. That is the official abbreviation. Right, I'm going to gather my like terms. So I'm going to do my C's first. 3C plus 2C is 5C plus 4C will give me 9C. 9C plus 36 equals 360 degrees. These are my calculations, so therefore you do not need another reason. So I would then subtract 36. Oops, don't do what I've done. Remember your degree sign, otherwise you lose a mark. Minus 36 there, minus 36 degrees. And now I will write that neatly. 9C equals 360 degrees minus 36 degrees. So 9C equals 324 degrees. Check it on your calculator. I'm going to divide both sides by 9 so that I can get C on its own. If I divide this side by 9, I must divide that side by 9, and C will equal 36 degrees. I would like you to go and try the test your understanding, which I will do in the next video. I will solve it for you. Also remember that Chapter 2, Exercise 2.3 will give you practice on this work.